Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a review slash unboxing. Well, I guess it's unbagging because it came in a bag. So, whatever. The store is named, or the website name is Every Bit of Bossy. I think that's the name for the online store and the website, everybitofbossy.com. She sells basically supplies for entrepreneurs, mostly like cute little bags that have sayings on them to take your products to the store. Basically, you know, you bag them and you tag them, you put them in the mail, you put them in the bag, and you carry this bag to the post office. I don't know why I want to keep saying mail office. I don't know what mail office is. We don't say that here in Maryland. We say post office. Anyway, you take it to the post office, but she's making it stylish instead of having some boring bag, or you having a trash bag, or using your purse. So she made supplies for us, and she is a black woman entrepreneur, so of course I had to support. Now, I ordered these during, I think it was Black Friday. Yeah, so I didn't just get them. I've been had it. It's been sitting in the corner, and I was like, ooh, I should do a review for it, whatever. So that's what I'm doing. So, it came in this bag. Now, the stuff is not in the bag because I did this review already, but I had microphone issues, so you couldn't hear a word I was saying. All you heard was static. Yay! So, this is like my third time doing this. Anyway, the woes of business. Anyway, so I bought 2 bags because one of my good friends, she also started a business. Difficult but doable. I would give you her mission statement. I don't know it, but just know, even though it's difficult, it's doable. Alright, so she makes t-shirts. So I think the website is difficult but doable.com. I will double check after I film this, but you already have the magic of the internet and filming and have it in the description box, okay? And Every Bit of Bossy too. And no, this is not an ad for either one of them. This is a paid. This is me just giving my opinion and shouting people out who I think deserve it. So, on to the products. So again, I brought 2 bags for me and my friend because I was like, she be going to the post office too. She need one. I mean, that'd be a nice little gift for her. And she never asks anybody for anything. So this is why I got it. So I got her this one. It says post office run. And of course, it's the website. The bottom is black. Here's the strap. Put it back. So it's so cute. And she has larger ones, so if you're like, that ain't gonna fit what I got, sis, she has larger ones. And she also coming out with ones that are like leather with sayings on them also. Okay, the one I want the brown one, and it says I started the businesses. I don't know why I keep getting confused. And she has the website on there too. I don't know if you guys, if it's translating on camera, but it's the same size as the post office run. Let's get that. Both of them in there. Okay, so if you guys want to purchase those, go to her website. Also, what came in there, it had a little postcard that had like a discount for a future purchase. And also something else with information about the business. I don't know what I did with the card. Who knows? But it came with this little notepad / planner. It says, I started a business. What's on your mind? Boss friend. Girl, get up. And she also got that branded too. It also came with some Every Bit of Bossy stickers. At first I was confused what they were, but they're stickers. Stickers. And this is a freebie. Another freebie. It says promote the businesses. Promote the businesses. And let me give you some. This is the iPhone 11. So, I mean, if you wanted, you could put your phone in the iPhone. Cash. But this is just to give you iPhone 11 Plus, how big it is. So, and she also wrote a note because in it I told her, I think I told her how I like her business and how me and my best, no, not my best, well, because this is a good friend. I don't really have a best friend. My best friend is my damn sisters because they know me in and out. But anyway, I digress. I told her my good girlfriend started her business too. So she wrote a note. She said, congrats to you and your BFF. Much success to you both. Thank you for support. She wrote her name. She said, sorry I'm out of postcards. I guess that's because why she wrote it on here. But it's the handwritten note. But she seems super sweet. That's another reason I was like, okay, I'm going to purchase from this girl. I'm going to get something because it's cute, and I'd rather buy it for the person who originated on the stuff and then just getting copycats. So, if you would like to purchase her stuff, it's everybitabossy.com. My friend with her t-shirts, difficult but doable. She makes new designs all the time, and I'm pretty sure if you ask her, she'll custom the shirt to say what you want on there. So there's difficult but doable.com. Again, I'm going to put that in the description box just so I won't be on here lying to y'all. And then, of course, me, shopbrookscloset.com. Okay, for all your accessory needs, okay? You need an outfit, you got an outfit, you need to make it pop, or your outfit plain, and you just want to spice it up. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you, okay? So, that is it for me. Again, I just posted a video about... Well, hopefully I'm posting that before this. I don't know if I'm posting it, but if not, I just showcased our new purse that I will be putting on the website. She's called Badass. While I was filming the video, I was like, okay, I'm just going to call her Badass because that's what I said it was. It was a badass purse. So she's badass. Okay? So she's going to be on the website today, this Sunday. And, yeah, so I'm posting more content for 2022 because I gotta get on the move. I'm trying to, you know, I ain't got, I'm trying to do big and better stuff. Bigger and better, okay? So, again, guys, thank you for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share. If you're on IG, with a follow, like, comment. And if you're on Facebook, like, follow, comment. It helps with the algorithm, helps with me. Share with your mama, your sister, your daughter, whoever, because that also helps me. I need eyes. So I can sell this stuff, y'all. I'm trying to sell it, okay? But anyway, thank you guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm on. I pray that this video makes it. Because I don't know if I can do it again. Anyway, thank you guys. Bye. I hope I'm recording. Where is that? Am I recording? Was I not recording? I did record.